Welcome to Tortoise. Today we will be. Stop it. Today we'll be touring the farm / reptile room, and let's get started. There's something. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get him out, but little bug butt. Let's get started. Garden, to plant one, the barn, the coop, and right here, the tortoise pen. Right now, it's a little too chilly for the tortoise to be out, but this is basically what it looks like. It's usually a little more tidied up. There's not tools in it when they're out here, but right now they aren't out here, so it's kind of messy. A little den. I can move one of these, and you can look far back in there, and they're able to burrow down in there so they can stay warm. But we usually take them out for the night so they don't get too cold. Even though they could probably survive some of the colder temperatures we have. You're probably hearing the background. So we'll come over here next. You want to come in, or you're scared of the rooster? Yeah, I'm not going to mess with him because he has some gnarly spurs on him. Look at that! There's an egg. Just plopped out here. But in here we have some younger chicks that were just merged into the flock. And if you're wondering what merged into the flock means, it's where you take the younger baby chicks from inside your house, and you get them to know the older chicks. So there's one of them. Fake eggs. We use fake eggs to entice the hens to lay, boy. Oh yeah. If you're wondering how Goopy got the name Goopy, when she was a young chick, she had pasty butt, which is basically where they have the feathers block their butt, and when they poop, it gets all stuck up in there. And what I do every year with our new baby chicks is I go in with a warm rag, and I just clean their butts like a little baby. Coming over here, this is where they get their food. It's just a simple thing you could pick up at any local farm store. Oh yeah, you like that? Oh, you want some? Too close. We have two different foods here. This is hen food, pellets, yes. Pellets to get them to lay better. And this is for baby chicks, which I give to them as a treat. You're wondering why the rooster's going. He's telling all the hens that there's food over here. Well, I think we spent enough time in the chicken coop. Give me a second. Ranger, come here. And now it goes to town. We occasionally feed our chickens their own eggs just to give them a boost in calcium, and it's actually really good for them to eat their own eggs. Although I guess it's kind of cannibalism, but we don't tell our chickens that. We can do that right now, but we will hopefully eventually get a pig this summer. That'll be fun. We're entering the pig enclosure. There will be a gate here. Oh, maybe over there. These are bunny turds. Ranger is on a life mission to hunt these bunnies. Never ever has succeeded. His uncle, though, Tony, actually caught one time. Very interesting how he caught it. He caught it in between the barn and just gnawed its head off. But in here, it's a little space, but it's for the pigs to get in, take some shelter. Then arrived in the mail not too long ago, and I brought it out here. It's an automatic water feeder. So this hose comes all the way over here, placed on the wall. Then hook this up, and it'll automatically filter and clean the water. So if you got a messy pig, if it dirties up the water, you don't have to worry about changing it. That pretty much wraps up the pig area. I want to have lots of pigs, goats, maybe in the future. Here we have just a winter home for my box turtle. And in the future, I would like to get more, but right now we only have one. And you're wondering her diet. We feed her, this is a treat, but here's a sleeping dubia roach. She eats mealworms. She has bananas sometimes. She has bananas often. And another occasional treat is one of these guys. And now we'll have to reach into her den of doom. There she is. This is Myrtle the turtle. She's a female western box turtle. She's older than me, older than my dad. She's possibly older than my grandpa. My grandpa found her at his work back in the 80s, so that gives you an idea of how ancient Myrtle the turtle is. Yeah. And for future content, we've planned a trip to Hawaii, so hopefully we will make some videos there on snorkeling and whatever else we get to doing. And also in future content, I'm hoping to expand my collection of not only reptiles but farm animals to get maybe a African kind of skink, maybe more box turtles. And you should subscribe and hit the like button so you don't miss any content.